Hello friends, I am Ismail, lecturer in computer science. In this video, let's discuss about constructor overloading in C++. First, what is a constructor? A constructor is a special member function which have its name just like the class name. It is used for the purpose of initializing the data members when a particular object is created for a particular class. Then what is constructor overloading? If you have more than one constructor defined within a class, then it is called constructor overloading. In fact, when you have both default and parameterized constructors defined in your class, you are having overloaded constructors, which are one with no parameter and other with parameter. You can have any number of constructors in a class that differ in parameter list. Let me explain with just a simple example. So here you can see that we are having a class with the name student, in which we are having int roll number, string name. These are the data members of the class written in private section. Why we are saying it private section? Because no access specifier is explicitly written. Then in public section, we usually define constructors in the public section. So this is the rule. You must write constructors within public section only. So here you are having constructor student. So the class name is also student, constructor name is also student. So here we are having only one parameter, int x. So in the body of the constructor, we are initializing the data members. Roll number equals to x, name equals to none. Why? Because we are not having any parameter to initialize to name. So just we initialize the name to none. You can see in the second constructor, student int x string str, x is assigned to roll number, str is assigned to name. So when you pass two parameters, one with int data, another with string data, then that particular object calls the constructor with first one as the int parameter, second one as the string parameter. So now int main function. So within the main function, we write code where we declare objects to class. So here you can see student a of 10. So the object a, when you create object a with 10 as the parameter, it calls the first constructor where roll number is assigned the value of 10 and the name is equals to none. Then b object is created to student class, student b of 11, John. Now the roll number property is assigned the value of 11 and the name property will be assigned the value of John. So this is how the constructors gets invoked when objects are created for a particular class. And one important point here to be noted is, if you define any constructor explicitly, then the compiler will not provide default constructor and you will have to define it yourself. In the above case, if we write student s in main function, if you write student s, it will lead to a compile time error because we haven't defined default constructor and compiler will not provide its default constructor because we have defined other parameterized constructors. Because of this, it is required to define default constructor also when you want to declare an object like student s. Thanks for watching this video.